Hey guys, Andrew here. Have a look at this page. This is an entire Amazon web page that I've managed to save as a PDF document. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this just in case you want to save any web page as a PDF document from Google Chrome. I'm going to show you how to actually do that. So as you can see in this next windows, I have Amazon open and I'm going to just do this for a fresh and a new product. So let's say you open up a product in your Google Chrome browser on Amazon or wherever, and you want to save this as PDF, the entire PDF document here. All you have to do is just simple click on the three lines on the upper right hand side and go down to where it says print. Now this will pop up and it may shows you your printer if you have a printer. Otherwise it will show you something else, but you may want to click the drop down and click see more, or if you haven't seen the Microsoft print PDF, you can click see more and you can find the Microsoft print to PDF. Now once you select that, just go ahead and ensure that all the pages are selected. As you can see, it contains all the pages on the specific web page, and this works for any website. So if you want to print any web page, any website home page, or whichever page as a PDF, you can just go to that page, follow the steps I'm showing you here, and then simply click and print, and that's going to give you a pop-up. As you can see, that save type is PDF and you can name that whatever you want, right? And once you go ahead and click and save, you have that page on your PC. And as you will see right now, guys, it's very easy and very simple.